Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons and initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Kaddevaru, mathematics teacher for standard 5th. Children, today we are going to continue with chapter 11 speed, distance and time. So let us begin with the chapter. Students, in last video we had solved some examples on how to find the distance as well as time. Now let us go to exercise 11b. First main question, find out the distance covered when a speed is equals to 960 kilometers per hour and time taken is equals to 1 hour 50 minutes. So children, you know the formula to find the distance I had discussed in the last video. Distance traveled is equals to speed into time. Now what is my speed? It is 960 kilometers into time, that is 1 hour 50 minutes. So 1 hour 50 minutes, how will you write it? So children, write 1 hour as it is and 50 minutes. When you convert 50 minutes into hours, it becomes 50 upon 60 because 1 hour contains 60 minutes. So 50 upon 60 hours. Next, 960 as it is into, when you convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, 60 into 1 is 60 plus 50, it becomes 110 upon 60. I hope you know how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now next, 1 0 gets cancelled. Next, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. Next, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 remainder, it becomes 12, 2 6s are 12. What is remaining? 16 into 110. So children, when you multiply this, you get the answer 1760 kilometers. Is it clear? So children, this is the data which is given in second question. Distance is equals to speed into time. Speed is 15 meters per second, whereas time is given in hours. So what you have to do, you have to convert this meters per second into kilometers per hour. You know 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So this 15 meters will become 15 upon 1000 per second, that is 1 second. You have to convert the seconds into hours. So you know 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds, isn't it? So 1 upon 3600 into, what is my time, into 10. Is it this step clear? Observe carefully. Speed is given in meters per second and here time is given in hours. So I have to convert this meters per second into kilometers per hour. So for that, this meters, when I convert it into kilometers, so 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So I have done 15 upon 1000. Next we have per second, per, that is division. So this division, and next in second, 1 second. So for 1 hour we have 3600 seconds. You have already discussed it in the earlier video. So 1 upon 3600 into, what is time, 10 hours. So into 10. Next, keep this 15 upon 1000 as it is. This division becomes multiplication and 1 upon 3600, it becomes reciprocal, that is 3600 upon 1 and this into 10 as it is. Now 2 zeros get cancelled. 1 0 gets cancelled. What is remaining now? 15 into 36 into 1. So children, when you multiply 15 into 36, you get the answer 540 kilometers. Now let us move to question number C. Speed is equals to 250 centimeter per second. Time is equals to 15.5 seconds. So children, speed is given, time is given. Now we have to find. It is 250 centimeters per second. So how will you write it? You will write it as distance is equals to speed into time. Now we have to convert this. So this 250 centimeters per second, you will write it as 250 upon 1, and next per second, that is 1 upon 3600 into time, that is 15.5. So 15.5 again seconds. When you convert it into seconds, it becomes divided by 3600. Next 250 as it is upon 1, this division becomes multiplication. 1 upon 3600 becomes 3600 upon 1, and this one you have to keep as it is. Now this and this get cancelled. What will remain? 250 into 15.5. So children, when you multiply this, you get the answer 3875 centimeters. Is it clear? Next we have question number 2. Determine the time taken when distance is equals to 7150 kilometers and speed is equals to 780 kilometers per hour. We have to find the time. So children, you already know the formula to find time, that is T is equals to D upon S. What is my distance? 7150 divided by 780. 10 gets cancelled. What is remaining? 715 upon 78. Now divide this 715. 78 into 9. You get the answer 702. So children, 5 minus 2, I get 3. Next 1 minus 0, 1, and this one. So what is remaining now? That is 9 hours, and this is minutes. So 13 minutes. Is it clear, children? Question number B, we have distance is equals to 8 meters and speed is equals to 8 whole 2 upon 5 centimeters per second. So children, you know distance is equals to 8 meters. When you convert it into centimeters, we have 8 into 100, that is 800 centimeters. Next we have speed, that is 8 whole 2 upon 5 centimeters per second. When you convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, you get 5 into 8, 5 is a 40 plus 2, 42 upon 5 centimeters per second. Now apply the formula and try to solve this. I will be solving this in the next video.